Hey everyone, back again with more fans here. And this time, I picked up two of these. One is brown, which I already showed in early videos, but I picked up another brown one, but I decided to show this antique brass with stencil blade one. I figured I'd shoot this one since it looks cooler. I like the stencil blades and the antique brass. It just reminds me of what I seen as a kid and what was commonly around fan wise as a kid. I've even seen these in people's kitchens. All right, so and this is the globe that it came with, this floral globe, and the light draws half an amp. A 60-watt bulb is what's in there, so power factor of 1. Okay, turn off the light. High, medium, low. Okay, I'm going to start with low. I'm going to turn on the high switch. Nice low. A little bit of a hum to it, as some of these View fans have. Decent low. 0.29 amps is what it's drawing. About 26 watts. And about a quarter power factor. All right, let's do medium. Here's medium. All right. 0.27 amps. So a little less current draw. Some of these View fans have a weird thing going on where they draw. Okay, so 31 watts. And pretty much a power factor of 1. And let's do high. Here is high. Slight wobble, but that's all right. 0.38 amps. So it's a low current drawing fan, and about 46 watts, and a power factor of 1. All right, let's do spin down. And while I'm at it, hopefully the reverse switch isn't wonky like a lot of fans have been lately. All right. Okay, I set it to low. Let's see. Okay, good. Reverse is not wonky on this one. And I'm getting the same current draw on low. Okay. So I want to do medium real quick. Medium. And the same current draw drops a little bit on medium. And then high. Same current draw. All right. All right, let's do the decade box and let's see where it starts. 1, 2. Oh, very good. It starts on 2. Okay, I'm going to get an aesthetic low out of this. 3, 4, and here's 5. So if I were to use a wall control, this would be my low speed, which I'll accept for it. It's a lower current draw, but I still get a functional low for a 36-inch fan. All right. 6, 7, and 8. 9, 10. So far I could use a 5 and 8 3-speed. 11. See what it does at 11. Okay, that's what I get. That's what I would get for a low speed, factory low, but this is a medium. 11. Here's 12. I still got a ways to go. So actually this would work as a medium if I put this on the learning remote or a Fanimation 3-speed, 5 and 12. Or 13. I mean, actually, I could use a standard 5, 8, 13 or 4, 7, 11 if I wanted to. And get like a high medium right here. This is, let's hit high, and I actually see a difference. I just hit high just to see if there's a difference between what I had it on before. So that's a good backed off high. There's 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Still under with any wall control. 21. That's just 23, 25, 27, 30. Kind of leveling off. It's slower to drawing current now once I reach a certain point. 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I maxed out. And I'm still a hair under. I haven't done an airflow test yet. Get a little bit of a breeze, but not much. But directly under it, it's a good breeze. This is definitely more like a very small room fan. Either your bathroom, closet, large closet, or so, or maybe over a small area. So I did an airflow test. All right. I'm going to try the solid state variable. We'll see how noisy or quiet it is. It's rather noisy. 0.2 amps. That's what I get. I'm going to go up a little. Yeah, I wouldn't use it on a variable. Not the kind of fan I would do that with. Yeah, too noisy to be used residentially with a solid state variable. I would use it by itself without wall controls. Or I can use a 4-speed on this, or a 3-speed capacitor-based control. And I pretty much get the same current draw in solid state. So that's good. All right. Okay, last test is 0 to high. Let's test the inrush. And really no inrush. But luckily this time, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, I remembered to take my camera stand and mic stand for the meter, so now I can put the meter in view and keep the camera where it is. But really no inrush current on this fan, so it's a pretty decent fan, I would say, for what it is, what people think it is. It's better than what many think it is. Looks like a cheap fan, probably is. But yet it actually runs better than any cheap fan, to be honest. All right. Well, that's all I have for this antique brass stencil blade view fan. So I'll be back with more fans, so continue subscribing and watching. And I'll see you next time with more fans.